Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with London Stock Exchange Group, LSEG, review my usage experience. London Stock Exchange Group, LSEG, review my usage experience offers access to comprehensive financial data and analytics, primarily targeting financial professionals, investors, and researchers. It provides real-time market data, historical price information, company news, and sophisticated analytical tools. Their website provides details on the various data packages and subscription options. Their website details the various subscription tiers and their associated features. They emphasize the accuracy and reliability of their data, highlighting its use in crucial investment decisions. Pricing is transparent, though it varies greatly depending on the chosen data package and access level. Availability is global, though access to specific data might be geographically restricted in some cases. They boast a robust and powerful technology platform designed for high-volume data processing. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using London Stock Exchange Group, LSEG, review my usage experience. Getting started was relatively straightforward, the onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to access the platform within a few minutes of creating an account. Navigating the interface took a little getting used to initially. It's quite powerful and feature-rich, so it felt a bit overwhelming at first. However, once I familiarized myself with the menu structure and search functionalities, I found it very intuitive. I primarily used it for accessing real-time stock quotes and historical price data for my investment portfolio. The speed and reliability were excellent. I never experienced any significant delays or data inaccuracies. The quality of the data itself was clearly top-notch, providing the granular detail I needed for my analysis. I had a quick question about accessing certain historical data and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how customizable the data visualization tools were. The standout feature for me was definitely the advanced charting capabilities, allowing for in-depth technical analysis. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for utilizing all the advanced features. It required some time and effort to master the more sophisticated tools. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with LSEG's service. While it has a few quirks and the pricing can be substantial, it generally met my needs and delivered high-quality data and analytics. That's my overview of London Stock Exchange Group, LSEG, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.